Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Shoutout sa mga subscribers natin, members and viewers. Thank you very much for all your support. Today's day 39, Sunday. Happy Sunday everyone. Anyway, we were supposed to ride. Lalayo dapat kami dito sa Calipa City. Kaya lang, unfortunately, yung aking roof rack ng aking car, hindi kasya yung body nitong hindi kasya yung batalya nitong ko ng aking itong bagong bike. So hindi ko siya nasira ko pa yata yung roof rack ko. And anyway, hindi ko siya mai-mount kasi nga hindi kasya. Masyadong malaki yung batalya nito. So ayan, mauwi ulit tayo dito. Calipa City lang ulit tayo. Pero we will try to go to a different place here. Titingnan natin kung saan tayo pwede magpunta rito sa Calipa City. Makipasyal ko man lang kayo sa ibang lugar. Well, anyway, time check, it's 5:40. Imagine I was installing the rack for more than 30 minutes, and then at the end the rack is not suitable for this bike. So I don't know. Yun, kaya dito lang nauwi lang ulit tayo sa Calipa City. Well, anyway, yung tuhod natin medyo okay na. So nakatulong naman yung pag-ice pack natin and everything. So may konting kirot na lang siya pero hindi na ganun kagrabe. Yun, yan si Madam. Si Madam na nakasimangot. Let's go! Yun, tingnan niyo yung doon. Tama yung araw pataas na pa. It's almost sunrise na. Ganda ng araw, bilog na bilog. Magandang kunan dito Yun So today pala we will try to do 40 or 30 or 40 kilometers. Bayad utang tayo ngayon. Let's go! Yan, we will mix it up a little bit. So galing kami dyan kanina, usually pag ganun kami, ngayon didiretso natin dito hanggang sa dulo nitong kalsadang to. Then we will see, titignan natin, and then we will go to that side. Bisitahin natin yung mga bagong truck dun sa may bandang highway. Weather now is it's nice, very good, malamig. Kahapon umabot ang sabi sa sa mga forecast na 1 month pa parang 1 month more bago talaga tumating yung talagang peak ng summer. Pero yesterday or the day before umabot ng 50 yung 50 tsaka and 55 degrees Celsius. Pinakamainit na inabot. Kahapon mainit kahapon, sobrang init kahapon. Kaya nung ride namin nung hapon, medyo nakaka-drain. So mas maganda pang it's either you'll ride early morning kasi ito presko pa yung hangin or pag lubog na talaga yung araw. Yon, let's go! Ayan, itong mga construction na to, this is all bike path. They're going to magkaan sila ng bike path dyan. Puro bike path dyan. Yung Bandaron gawa na Bandaron gawa na. So pupuntahan natin yung mga bagong gawa na bike path. This is all bike path din tong kabila. Kasi karugtong din yan, magdudugtong din yan hanggang sa Dubai. Itong bike path na yata na yan. Tapos yung racing mga UCI approved bike path yan. Kaya ganun. Sana tayo? Wala, putol na yung kalsada. Dito, pasok tayo.
We ain't gotta get it back right away. Haven't figured out right away. We just trying to see the light of day. Stop signs in the right away. You can
Yeah,
leave
balik
if you
tayo dito.
got to. If you reach, I'ma got you. Who am I to deny you? Knowing I broke it off, oh Lord, yeah. We're still in love.
Ayan, ito bro, medyo gawaan na pala dito yung sa kabila.
I've been waiting, what's the word, yeah. We're so involved, yeah.
Natapakan natin yung bike path na yan, tapos ikutin lang natin tong Caliba City. Hanapin natin yung mga nagbibisikleta dito. Marami nagbibisikleta dito eh. Usually couple. Let's go! Yun, after a lot of detours and road close, eto na, nakarating na tayo dito sa may bagong bike path na to. Pero konting-konti lang to eh. Nandito na tayo. So hindi pa kompleto to. Pag nakompleto to, napaka sarap ng mag-ride dito. Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo kasi hindi mo na pala kailangan mag-car kasi everything is on pwedeng sa bike path na. Ito, close na naman. Sarado. Ayan, problema dito, puro sarado. Go, 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 go.
Whoa, guess I've been here before. From the concrete I rose, put that on my bros. Had to lean on the bros. Could've listened to cold.
Yan o, sarap ng bike path nila kasi makinis na makinis yan, hindi yan kundi ang kulubot. Kasi ano yan, UCI approved yan, yung ano nga ibig sabihin ng UCI, basta yung something cycling something. Ayan, UCI approved yan, kaya makinis yan, masarap magbike dyan. Hindi yung kagaya doon sa may Masdar na kulukulubot. Anyway, ayan nadating na natin. Ito na yung pinakadulo ng ng Masdar City eh. Yan, ikot na tayo dito, then babalik na tayo dun sa may labas tayo ng mga ng Al Raha community. Let's go! Ayun! So ito, headed back na kami. Naikot na namin yung mga dapat maikutan. Pinakadulo. So far 22 kilometers, 23 kilometers. So pabalik na tayo. So we'll just finish 30 kilometers. Kasi medyo mataas na rin yung araw. It's 7 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock. Dito na tayo, nakabalik na tayo dito sa may Al Raha community. So inikot natin from there, farther that side, and then now we're coming back. Yan! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Yung tuhod ko, okay naman na siya. Hindi na siya makirot. Pero pag binigyan mo ng diniin mo ng maigi, pag kinargaan mo ng bigat ng masyado, nandun pa rin pero hindi na ganun kagrabe. So I am okay, fully or almost fully recovered. Good thing na rin talaga na hindi ako nag-stop, hindi ako nag-rest. Kumbaga nag-rest lang ako instead of kahapon, instead na umaga ang ride ko, ginawa akong gabi. So at least mahaba-haba yung pahinga ng tuhod ko. At saka nag-ice pack ako ng todo. In-ice ko yung both knees ko. So ngayon, okay. And also, kung napapansin nyo, I'm rocking my new bike jersey. This is from Temu. Right. And this is, maganda naman yung quality niya kasi may kamahalan din siya. 78 dirhams. So that's around 1,000 pesos. Pero the quality is not bad. The fit is not bad. The fit is not bad. It's nice. So I might order a few more of this with a different color. Yun lang ang masishare ko. Hindi ko alam, baka mag-breakfast muna kami or something. We will see. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Ayun. So, patapos na tayo ng ating day 39. So 30 kilometers is done. 30 kilometers lang muna tayo. And ano tayo magbayad ng utang. Yan, pauwi na tayo. Mataas na rin ang araw. Time check, it's 7:10 na. Medyo mataas na at mainit-init na rin. Malamig-lamig pa ng konti. Hindi malamig. Presko pa ng konti yung hangin. Pero yung araw, mainit na. Okay lang din yun. Maganda rin yung ride natin today kasi malayo-layo na naikutan natin. Hindi tayo nagpaikot-ikot lang sa isang maliit na lugar. So masyadong nakapasyal-pasyal din tayo kahit paano. Natignan natin, napuntahan natin yung mga bagong gawang track doon na napaka-iksi lang ng bukas. Andyan na ang bahay natin sa kabilang side. So banderon, tatawid tayo and then we are done for our third day, 38. Yon, let's go. See you at home. Yan, naka-exit na tayo dito. Punta tayo dito. Pasok na tayo dito sa ating balay dako. Sarap din naman, napagod din naman ako ng konti. Pero kasi ano yun, chill ride lang yun. Para lang hindi mapuwersa yung tuhod natin sa ngayon. Or kahit naman mapuwersa. Chill ride lang naman tayo palagi. Ayun. Thank you Lord for the safe ride. And syempre thank you very much sa inyong lahat dyan na nandito pa rin. Dyan sa mga umattend ng premiere. Thank you very much. Ilalagay natin sa premiere to. Thank you very much. Mga subscribers natin, members and viewers. And special shout out to Mr. and Mrs. Tutuyane Adventure from Toronto, Canada. Sir, Master, thank you very much sa inyong concern, sa inyong pa-message sa akin. Thank you very much. We ain't gotta get it back right away. Haven't figured out right away. We just trying to see the light of day. Iyon, so paano? Hanggang dito na lang ang ating video for today. Day 39 is done, 30 kilometers done. My niece is almost done, not almost done. It's almost okay. Iyan. So if you find this entertaining, interesting, and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. See ya. Happy Sunday, everyone.
How am I supposed to ride away? Loving seems like a mile away. Baby, would you just come my way? Don't just slide away. You and me supposed to ride away. Couldn't care if it's the night or day. It ain't gotta be my way. Don't just slide away. I done tried this, I done tried that. The pain hangs on. Every time you see, every time I gotta have my way. Time heals it all, baby. I'm missing us, baby. I miss it. We ain't gotta get it back right away. Haven't figured out right away. We just trying to see the light of day. Stop signs ain't a right away. You can leave if you got to. If you reach, I'ma catch you. Who am I to deny you? Knowing I broke it off, oh Lord, yeah.